Welcome back to Beautiful Mind. Today we're going to be talking about some day counts and some percentage levels. And right now we're going to kick it off with our top. Right now, currently, our top to our bottom is 48 and 49 days. And what we need to do is ascertain these counts from these tops. Let's just use this one right now, and we'll see where 48 and 49 is. Okay, well, 48 and 49 are right here where we have a change. This doesn't necessarily mean we're going to have a change, but it's pointing out an area that is likely to see something. We're going to do this one here. Again, 48 and 49. We're going to be looking for the 25th and 26th of July. And, I know I might be calling for this 49 and stuff. It's possible and likely we could definitely touch that. We don't have to necessarily, but certainly in this 53, 54 area we could retest, no problem. But again, this 49 and this 45 area, if this doesn't hold, this 53, if this doesn't hold, then it's 49 and 46 right down here. Like, that's just what it's going to be. So that's our 48 and 49 day counts using our tops here. So we've covered this sequence, and now we have one that's going to play out just out here. So that's our downward movements. We got to 1 day and also 13 days here, 12 to 14 days. So let's go take a look now at some further counts. If you don't have a square 9 like this, which has the octaves of the year and the zodiac and all that, you can use your measuring bar. I think it's probably the most important tool that there is. It's just in my opinion. So let's just go back here, and we're going to take a look at September 11th, and we're going to just add 45 days, or every red line, or every octave of the year, and we're going to see what happens. Alright, so here we're going to move out to 45 days. At 45 days we experience our first top and bottoming channel area. The next area will be 90. At 90 we receive a top and a change in trend. From there, another 45 days would take us to 135. $135 days takes us to our current low at 38,000. We haven't exceeded this low yet. That's our next 45-degree angle. So from there, 180. I wonder what's going to happen at 180. Oh, wow, hey, right? Topping area. Okay, let's add another 45, and that's going to bring us to 225. That's April 23rd and our lower top, and is subsequently around the same area as this price level here. So after 225, adding 45 would bring us up to 270. 270 represents the last day we had a high at around the 73,000 level, or 72,000 in current high. Also note that the center line of our bar has lined up perfectly with our January 23rd low. Okay, continuing on, 315 would be another 45 days. July 22nd, we're expecting a low and a move up. The next would be 360 to finish the cycle, which I don't think we have enough space here to do that right now. No, not quite. So you get the idea on that one, right? So your counting tool is really important. It's an extremely important tool. So we did this September. Let's go back and let's just go take a look at this March right here. Okay, we're going to bring in this March in. First 45 days be a swing top in this area right here after this bottom. It's actually sitting more or less on this bottom, but it's kind of in that swing top channel area. Then a change in trend and a move down to a bottom. 90 days later, we're back to our lows. 135 days later, low of the channel. Add 45 days, 180. Low just before our major low. You know, we're a few days, 4 or 5 days. Pretty much a direct hit. Adding 45 days, 225. Last low, fast move, breakout. Adding 45, 270. Coming into our December 5th top. Adding 45, 315. 315, back to the low of this channel before a major market low. Moving on from 315, ending the cycle, 360. 360 ends it right on the day we have the most tumultuous turnaround, and we have a 21% pullback on this one day. So all of these pullbacks here, from these tops to these bottoms, have all been like this 21%. From here down to here, from here down to here, you know, from here down to here, and now we've overextended. We're at 24-25%. So that's our one cycle now, using the square 9 or the octaves of the year, and using your counting bar to find out where major changes in trend may occur. Okay, so we've taken that low, we've taken this one here, we've taken a few of our tops. You know, I try to keep these as short as possible so you can see how these day counts and these percentage levels work out. So make sure to utilize them on your charts. Anyways, peace and love, guys.